Ever felt like you're missing out on the advanced charting tools and vibrant community of TradingView because of subscription fees? You're not alone. Many traders, from beginners just getting started to seasoned pros, recognize the immense value TradingView offers. From its intuitive interface and extensive technical indicators to its powerful social features where you can share ideas and learn from others. But let's be honest, those premium plans can add up, especially when you're also managing trading capital. So, what if I told you there's a way to get a free TradingView subscription, or at least a significant rebate, just by doing what you already plan to do, trade? It sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. Several brokers have recognized the demand for TradingView and have integrated it into their offerings, often sweetening the deal with free access to paid plans. This isn't just about having charts, it's about having better charts, with more indicators, more layouts, and a deeper dive into market analysis without an additional monthly bill. The key here is understanding that while TradingView itself is a separate platform, many brokers are now official partners. This partnership allows for seamless integration, meaning you can often execute trades directly from TradingView charts while benefiting from your broker's spreads and execution. But beyond just integration, some brokers go a step further by offering free access to TradingView's premium tiers, like Pro, Pro Plus, or even Premium. This can unlock features like more indicators per chart, multiple chart layouts, extended historical data, and a higher number of alerts, all crucial for effective trading. So, which brokers are actually doing this? You'll find a few prominent names making these offers, but the exact terms and conditions can vary. For instance, Vantage Markets is one such broker. They offer to reimburse your monthly TradingView fee for Pro, Pro Plus, or Premium plans if you meet certain deposit and trading volume requirements. This means you effectively get your chosen TradingView plan for free, provided you're actively trading. Another notable broker is Black Bull Markets. They offer free TradingView Essential, Plus, or Premium subscriptions. The catch? You generally need to trade a specific number of lots per month to qualify for the rebate. For example, trading a certain volume of Forex pairs or metals can grant you access to a free Essentials, Plus, or Premium plan. Fusion Markets also has a similar promotion. By connecting your Fusion Markets account to TradingView and meeting specific monthly trading volume criteria on FX majors or metals, you can receive a rebate for your TradingView Essential, Plus, or Premium subscription. It's a direct incentive to trade with them if you value those TradingView features. It's important to remember that these offers typically come with conditions. These might include a minimum initial deposit, a certain monthly trading volume, or trading specific asset classes. Always make sure to read the fine print and understand what's required to maintain your free subscription. Sometimes it's a direct reimbursement, other times it's an integrated charting solution that provides premium features without a separate TradingView login. The benefit of these partnerships is clear. You get access to top-tier charting and analytical tools, often without the direct cost of a TradingView subscription. This can significantly enhance your trading experience, allowing for more in-depth analysis and potentially better trading decisions. It's a win-win for traders who are looking to maximize their resources and leverage powerful tools. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.